always like finding interesting little doodads, and I found this one, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. It's like a mini sound machine, so I've been excited, especially because like sleep is good and I don't like sleeping with no noise. Also say hi to Chloe. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Wait, because it's so cute. Aww. So it's like really baby. It's really tiny, but we love that. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. It has like little buttons. Okay. Little bird action. And then it's USB-C. That's good, because everything is nowadays. Okay, next. Can you hear that? Y'all can hear that. That's good. Next one. We love that. Bathtub vibe. I like the rain sound. This is a yes. I like this. More rain. A little campfire action. Okay. It works for moms too, if y'all have a baby. I love that. And there's like timers, so you can do like 30, 60, or 90 minutes. That's not bad. Wait, because this is cute. It's giving Minecraft. It's my neighbor outside. It's giving Minecraft. I think I missed one. Okay, but quick rundown again. That was the end. Oh, so I didn't end it. There was more. But yeah, so this is a really cool thing. I probably will be using it. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Super cute. And then you just hold it, turn it off. Super dainty. I love it. You can take it with you anywhere. Okay, thanks. That was my review, guys.